By banning the use of smartphones in classrooms, the United Nations Education, Science and Cultures Agency is hoping it will improve learning, with a new report saying evidence shows excessive cell phone use is linked to reduced educational performance. UNESCO warns policymakers that even as they embrace digital technology, it should never take center stage over face-to-face teaching. But the report says countries need to have clear objectives to make sure it is beneficial in education. Sachin Maharaj at the University of Ottawa says countries need to consider the impact changes to technology can have.
When it comes to phones and other technologies, what is sort of best for the learning and mental well-being of kids in schools?
David Chorney with the University of Alberta says a blanket ban is also unlikely to do enough.
Although good in nature and the root is a positive intention, it's not as simple as that.
UNESCO acknowledges technology can provide an education lifeline to many, but there can be barriers faced especially among those from lower income households and countries. Part of this call for a blanket ban is also over cyberbullying concerns. While 16% of countries have adopted legislation to prevent and act on it, a 2019 international study found among most middle and high income countries, at least 10% of grade 4 students surveyed have experienced cyberbullying. The UNESCO report says policies on technology and education can help reduce that number. Maharaj adds a change to smartphone use would be a benefit to students.
The use of phones was restricted in schools. That would actually improve the relationships among students in schools and hopefully lead to less bullying of all kinds.
Yet, according to Chorney, change also needs to happen at home.
Ultimately, kids are spending way more time at home than they are in schools. So it really is incumbent upon the parents, caregivers, to have a responsibility.
The study points out, as of July, an estimated 1 in 4 countries have enacted such a ban either through law or guidance. But it will be up to countries to decide whether they want to hang up children's use of phones when they go to school. Sean Previl, Global News.